Alright guys, so we putting in the new injectors right here, the FIC 1000s. We got the fuel rail out already and the old cold air intake. We won't be needing this no more. We got the rear seat out already. I don't know why people gut the Mustangs, because this thing is literally like super light. Like, how much weight can you even save taking these out? It's kind of crazy. But yeah, we got the seat out. We about to install the new pumps. And the back's kind of dark right now. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we just replacing the driver side, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, so the driver side fuel pump gotta go. But we keeping the passenger side fuel pump. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. Alright, so we just got the FIC 1000s on the fuel rail. We're about to install it right now.
It's a little rubber cover. Just fits in a little groove for it.
Yeah.
So once you get underneath it, you have your two lines. All you gotta do is pop these off. There's this, if you this ring, it's kind of dusty.
Yeah.
But if you take even like a screwdriver, or really anything, you just hit it from here. It's a little dark right now, but hit it with a hammer, the ring come off, and that white thing you were holding earlier.
Yeah.
All you do is disconnect these, and you can pull it out. Disconnect the line at the bottom, call it a day. That's why if you have a full tank, as soon as you pop this up, it'll like move it around and start kind of leaking everywhere.
Okay.
Same thing, but it has a return line, and instead of one, it has two fuel pumps.
Very good.
So show them the two pumps if they don't know. Point to it.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Let's go to two pumps.
Two
right
beauties.
There. Yeah.
Get that little better than a booster pump. Do not run a booster pump.
Why not? What's wrong with the booster pump?
Because all it does is add voltage to your stock pump, and then you're gonna burn out your stock pump, and then you're gonna keep replacing your stock pump.
Oh.
Good budget kits like Ray bought, under $1,000, and you'll be set. It's good for 1,000 horsepower, 800, whatever.
Okay, guys. So see my little handy dandy light, but nah. New fuel pump right there. Yes, sir. Shout out to my guys, man, for putting this on for me, because I wouldn't know what the hell I was doing if I had to do this by myself, but sweet. So we got the new fuel pump in already. So now all is left, this good stuff right here.
Here, look over it.
Yeah, looks good. Good.
Pretty sturdy.
You have to tighten up those little fucking
Yeah,
the little bolts underneath. Oh, and I think I just put backwards on it.
Alright guys, so we just installed and mounted the fuel pressure gauge. It's on there pretty sturdy. Show the viewers what you over here doing for me, bro. He's looking out for me. So if you don't know, the bumpers on Mustangs are they're pretty bad. So I got the little quick latch. I don't know how to put it on, but he's doing it for me. Shout out to bro. Alright guys, so we got everything together, looking good so far in the cooler. With clamps,
You'll see what I'm talking about.
clamped everything up.
Down.
Man, this look good. He had to drain all the coolant out, of course. We're gonna come over this way. More clamps on the intercooler. Yes, sir. Y'all know what sound this gonna make. Nice old blow-off valve. Y'all check out the little tiny filter that go behind the blow-off valve. Yes, sir. What else we got? We got everything up here looking nice and good. Okay, so obviously, you know, this goes down. It's the throttle body. Back here is the throttle body space. I don't know if you guys can see it. So we got this clamped up, and obviously when you go down, that's to the intercooler. Everything that's to the intercooler. So that's everything, you know, that I showed you guys. All right, guys. So the video probably been making everything look easy so far, but it is not as easy as it looks. We ran into a few problems. I'm gonna have my boy Thomas explain what's going on. If you look closely, you can see that this is broke right here. What happened with that, Tom?
So when we were putting that bolt in and we were tightening it, it was good, and then it got a little hard, and then I went a little bit more, and then it snapped. So it snapped off in there. And the only way to make it right is to tap it out and rethread it. So that's what we're doing. We got the pilot bit already started, so tomorrow we're gonna get an extractor, pull it out, and put a new bolt in there and get our plate on and mount up the supercharger and be that much closer to being done. Yeah,
it would have been done tonight, guys. You know, this is actually for the bracket for the blower, but you know, you see we got these two put on already. But as we was screwing this in, it had broke, so we got to put an extractor on that and get that thing taken care of. So once we do that, we'll be able to mount the bracket, put the blower on. We should be good to go with that.
Tidy up some little things and get that base file and start her up.
Yep, 11:19 now. At night, that is. The grind don't stop, guys. We out here trying to make it happen. Trying to get that good footage for all you guys. Alright, guys, this is day 3 of the install. We finally got the blower mounted. We got the belt put on. Don't y'all remember that screw that I told y'all about? That snapped. That is it right here. So we wasn't able to get that screw out. I don't know. Let me zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that screw right there, it snapped. So we still was able to get everything bolted up, and it's on here sturdy. So now we just trying to get the rest of the belt put on, and yeah, everything looking pretty much good though. Alright, so what's the issue we're running into now?
The piping for this is running into your windshield washer reservoir.
So now, let me zoom out. So now, the piping for the blower won't even go. What's that? That's to the intercooler, right? Yeah.
That's one of your charge pipes.
Yeah, it won't even fit. So now, we have to figure out something for that. Alright guys, so my buddy here, who was helping me install my Paxton on my GT. This is his 2016 GT. And just look at this setup, man. This thing is crazy. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna do no talking about it. I'm gonna let him explain everything he got done in his car, because I know I have a lot of you guys love twin turbo cars, and you know, I decided to go with a regular blower, a belt driven blower. I know a lot of you guys love the twin turbo setup, and if you could see this car, this thing is absolutely insane. So I'm gonna have him tell you exactly what's done in his car. And also, if you want to see this car on the channel more, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. But go ahead, bro, let everybody know what you got done to your car.
Alright guys, so we have the base on 3 kit. We deleted the turbos and we only used the downpipes, the headers, and the intercooler. I ended up going with Garrett GTX 3685Rs for the turbos, 62.5 millimeter, and then I ended up swapping out the wastegates to teal 44 millimeter wastegates with 7-pound springs. We're gonna eventually throw some CO2 in it to bump up the boost. We're only on 11 pounds right now. Blow-off valve is also a 50 millimeter teal wastegate or blow-off valve. We also switched to a 4 Innovations triple pump fuel system, the TI Automotive 285s, head studs, NGK spark plugs, got the Pro Boost head gaskets. There's a lot of customization. If you look over here, we got our 2-step, we got our catch can mounted in there. We also have our solenoids for our boost controller. We still have to set up some AC, but other than that, it is a full street car. We got a bigger 2-inch radiator from Mishimoto. Okay. Mishimoto intercooler. Do some little fab in it. If you go with the kit and you don't use the stock radiator, pushes everything back. So you are going to have to cut and modify everything. We got the 18 ported manifold. Got the stock throttle body ported by Brett Barber.
That's sweet. And guys, look at this intercooler. You can just see this thing. Looks so good from the front end. Also, bro, let them know about your trans.
Yes, if you want to come inside the car.
Yeah. And as you can see, my boy got the wheels on there all around.
That's 77s.
Talk about the trans, bro.
So now instead of that good old MT82, we swapped it out to the Tremec, the T56 Magnum XL. We got a 1-piece DSS drive shaft, MGW short throw shifter. We got our boost controller right there, as you can see.
Boost control right here.
So it's a boost by gear, boost leash. You can adjust it. You can change all your PSIs, do all that fun stuff. Okay. Then we went with 2,000 horsepower axles in the rear. It's got a full Steeda suspension all around, shocks, sway bars, end links, control arms. Anything you can imagine that you can replace has been replaced.
Man, this thing is, as you can see, I don't even have no other words, man. Y'all can just look at it yourself, man. He got the Euro style tail lights. We're gonna do a little bit of driving. We're gonna do a few pulls in it, just for you guys, because I know it's a lot of people out there that love the twin turbo setup. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this car down in the comments. Please do that. If you like this car, also give it a thumbs up. Let's do it, man.
Already got pulled over doing 140.
Do a leg pull. Alright guys, so we finally just wrapped everything up, and look at the turnout. I couldn't be any more pleased with this. I love how this system look. So I'm gonna show you guys a few little things real quick. So right here, that's for the oil. That's how you check the oil, and that's how you change the oil right there. What else? I love this right here. The badge, it just stands out. Yeah, so you guys seen all this already. Seen the intercooler, the charge pipes, everything. Fuel system, intake, of course. New reservoir. Where's the catch can at? What you do with the catch can? I have to do a little bit of modifications to the catch can because it wasn't going back in its original position. So yeah, that's the only issue we having right now, but nothing major. Just a JLT catch can. I'm gonna probably have to cut these off and put some more flexible hoses on them so it can fit back into its regular position. But other than that, no big deal. What else? Oh, so right here I actually had to take off the windshield washer fluid because it was hitting this charge pipe right here. So if you guys see, there's no windshield washer fluid. So I don't care though, I probably won't be needing that. But yeah guys, here's everything right here. Man, that looks so damn good. Drop y'all comments down below. Let me know what y'all think of this setup. But man, I'm happy. I'm really happy and I'm really pleased with this setup. Alright guys, so look real quick. This has nothing to do with the blower install. I just wanted to show you guys a few other little mods that I had picked up. I don't think I'm gonna make a video out of any of this stuff. I just wanted to show you guys what it was, but I don't really think it's video worthy making a video out of any of these things. So right here, this is a transmission bushing. It's the white line. Let me show you what it look like. Show you what it look like. This is what it look like right here. It's just a bushing, and pretty much it just, you know, it just reduced drive line vibration and deflection. Only reason I know that because I'm reading it off my phone. So yeah, okay, so we got the transmission bushing right there. I think this is a pretty cool little cosmetic mod. These are the Raxium side marker lights. So as you can see already, mine are red LEDs. Damn, the car is dirty. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be replacing those with these. So what you guys think? I think that'll look pretty cool, don't you think? Hell yeah, that's gonna look good. Raxium, let's put that back in there. So we got the lights, we got the bushing, and this is pretty much just this is caster and camber plates. This is Maximum Motorsports. I hear a lot of good things about their suspension. So yeah, the caster camber plate. So pretty much what that does, I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can. But obviously, if you guys don't know, the car is lowered on iBox Sport lines. The tires in the front, the tires are supposed to sit like this, but when you lower a car, it kind of goes like this, if that makes sense. And then that means you'll go through tires like really fast, and it happened to me plenty of times. So to get the tire from doing this to setting it back straight, that's when these things come into play. If you guys want me to make a video out of this stuff, let me know. I probably won't because it's, you know, it's all kind of, you know, pretty quick stuff. But if you want one, let me know. I might throw it in a video down the road. So yeah, as of now, I'm definitely throw these on first. So yeah, we're gonna say bye to those ugly things. Those gotta go.